subscribe. Today's story is about cooking. Me and my wife decided to make a special dish, and we gave the dish name Swash Squash. Maybe it's new to you, but this is our personal name that we give this dish. We are trying to avoid eating a lot of meat, and so we come up with this special dish. It is very easy to prepare, so all you need to do follow. Right now she's sauteing the seasons, which consist of tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, garlic. Okay. What do you have over there?
And then put a little bit of olive oil.
Wow, that is looking so beautiful and smells so nice.
Yes.
Okay, so you can use a little olive oil instead of the regular oil. So I think olive oil is much more healthy for us. What do you have over here?
So we have the vegetables there. We have cauliflower, we have carrot, and then we have zucchini.
Okay.
And in this one over here, we have a little zucchini. We have green beans.
Wow, that is looking so nice.
Some corn, and some green peas.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do here, this is seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, this is some ground turkey. You can use the ground turkey breast, but you can use the lean. So I'm gonna put it in here. See that?
Smells so good already. And what are you doing now?
I'm just going to give this saute it a little bit, and then we cook it down. So later on in the video you will see how we do the rest of it, okay? Need a little bit more oil, so I'm going to put a little bit more, olive oil in there, and to give it some more flavor, I'm going to use this Herbex chicken, that's bouillon cube. There's one, so I'm just going to use one of this. See, now just bring up the flavor because there's so much vegetables. And this is, I use a hot sauce. I don't know if you cook with hot sauce, but this is, this is Louisiana hot sauce. Bring up the flavor.
With pepper?
It's not hot, it's just mild.
So you're just mixing everything together now?
Yes,
Wow, it looks so nice.
And the trunks out, so it's After 10 minutes, I'm good to go. Alright, turn the stove off. Alright, this is how it looks.
What are you gonna do next?
So next, our vegetables.
Oh, that's all you have to do it?
Yes, we're gonna line the bottom of the baking sheet.
Okay.
With these vegetables. Alright.
Thought you just throw them in.
No, we gotta line the bottom.
It doesn't work like that.
Doesn't work like that.
This is very
These
unique.
are
This is very unique. Wow. For all you vegetarian lovers, this is a great meal for you to prepare.
Okay.
You don't have to use a lot of meat, and I know you'll enjoy it.
All right, let's over here.
Oh, so you sprinkle that all over. Okay. So it's almost like preparing a lasagna.
Right.
Okay. So you use less noodles, right? Or
so the oven is on at 450.
450.
450. So when you do that, there's some cheese.
So the cheese.
These are cheese grater.
Okay.
You can use any kind of cheese you like.
Okay. So you have some cheese.
Got some cheese.
All over. Wow. Just imagine how this gonna taste. It look delicious. Welcome back, guys. The squash meal is ready. I can't wait to see it. Okay. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.
All right.
Wow.
Here we go.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's so beautiful.
And we also have our fish.
Wow, you can see the steam coming out of the fish. That is so beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to taste this.
So here we go, guys. We're gonna dig right in.
Okay. And my wife had prepared two plates.
Guys,
Smelling so good.
great.
Smells so good. Wow.
Over here is the fish.
They're gonna have a fish to it, right? Guys, this looks so delicious.
Here you have it. Here you have it.
I'm gonna taste it, guys. Wow.
Just a little taste.
Wow. This is great. Well guys, here it is. This is our squash meal, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Until the next video, if you need the recipe, you can comment below and we can send you the recipe. Thank you very much for watching.
Bye guys.
Bye.